Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11. In our previous video we studied about meaning of population and sample. In this video we will be continuing next topic, that is population inquiry and sample inquiry. So what is meant by population inquiry? The inquiry in which information is collected from each and every unit of population is called population inquiry or census survey. That means population inquiry means in which each and every unit is under study. That only can be called population inquiry. For example, if we want to know the population of India, we need to conduct a census, and in which each and every unit is studied and counted. Then only population can be known. So, the census survey conducted every 10 years in India is population inquiry. So now, what is meant by sample inquiry? The inquiry in which information is collected from a few units selected from a population is called sample inquiry or sample survey. Like for example, if the information about the annual income of a few families selected from the families residing in Pune city is collected, it is a sample inquiry. So now we are clear with the meaning of population inquiry and sample inquiry. In population inquiry, all the units are under study, and in sample inquiry, few units are under study. Now let's understand need of sampling. We all know the meaning of sampling. What is sampling? The procedure of selecting a sample from population is called sampling, and the main objective of sampling is to know the difference or what is the main characteristic of the population based on sample inquiry. So now, what is the need of sampling? Let's have a look on that. The first point is population is very large. So the need of sampling is when the population is very large, so sampling can be done. Second is it is spread over wide geographical area. So when the study is to be done in the wide geographical area, at that time sampling can be done or sampling is needed. Third, the unit under inquiries are to be destroyed. That means when the unit is under study is spoiled, so at that time the need of sampling is there. Fourth, the results of inquiries are to be obtained in a short period of time. That means when we have to give the results of the conclusions of the inquiry which is done in very less period of time, at that time need of sampling is there. Fifth point, time, money and experts for conducting an inquiry are limited. So when we have less time, less money and less experts, at that time a limited sampling, few units can be studied, so need of sampling is there. So here we have completed population inquiry and sample inquiry and need of sampling. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.